sent a Snapchat to my friends of my mystery boxes are in. They're like, send a pic! Amanda, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because we are unboxing the Deluxe and Supreme mystery boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This was my first time ordering mystery boxes off his website, and girl, it was completely stressful. I was talking with my sorority sister and Joy leading up to when the boxes went live. Oh my gosh, my blood pressure and anxiety was through the roof, and it wasn't working on my phone. Every time I was trying to click on the drop down option to switch which box I wanted, wasn't working on my phone for whatever reason. So I ran up the stairs, almost busted my ass to my laptop to get on the website. So I added the Supreme and Deluxe boxes to my cart, and then I got to the you're in queue for checkout, and I was having PTSD from the Shane and Jeffree collaboration launch. It was the same exact screen, and I was thinking that maybe it's glitching on my side. I tried it on my phone. This still wasn't working on my phone, so I put the mini box in my cart, and it led me to the same thing. So I was like, all right, maybe it's just the website. And because I was seeing some other people on Instagram and Twitter saying, yeah, I got my box. I'm like, wait, I'm in this queue. What is going on? Fortunately, I was able to check out smoothly because I did see that some people's boxes were being taken out of their carts when they were proceeding in the queue. I knew it was going to be crazy, but I didn't think it was going to be this crazy. As I mentioned, I was talking to Joy. She didn't get any of the boxes. My sorority sister actually got the Deluxe box, which she really wanted the Supreme. And I'm messaging another one right now, and she really wanted the Supreme as well. So those definitely went flying off the shelves. Definitely let me know in the comments, how was your experience? Did you get the box that you wanted, or which one did you end up getting? If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's jump into it. So for reference, the Deluxe box was $100 and the Supreme box was $145. The Deluxe box contains 8 items and the Supreme box includes 12 items. These are nice and taped up, which I appreciate. Hopefully they're packaged nice so nothing gets broken. Struggling. Oh, because there's tape everywhere. I'm just so excited. I've never gotten one of his boxes before. Or am I opening it the wrong way? All right, we're just going savage and ripping this bad boy open. Oh, I was opening it the wrong way. Here we go. Ooh, look at the inside. That's a hat. I love hats. I recently started wearing hats again because I have a Hartford Whalers one for the Canes. That's so cute. I know it's like lopsided on me. There we go. That's so cute. I love the pink. Nice touch. I'm gonna set it right here. And it looks like we have a shirt because it did ask for my shirt size. I don't know how the sizing runs, so I went with a large. Ooh, oh wow, it looks very big. I love the little logo and the heart right there. And I don't really eat these. I think that they're gross, but I love the different sayings on it. I don't own any apparel, so to get the hat and the shirt in a mystery box is awesome. Let's see. I have something nice and packaged right here. Ooh, 24 karat. I don't own this. That's exciting. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, these are stunning highlighters. I'm so excited. I feel like I would be able to use all the shades. Maybe Legendary is a little questionable since it's more on the orange peachy side, but I'm really excited to give these a shot. I don't think I own any of these shades individually. I don't know if they come individually or not. Ooh, straws. Yes, we are saving the turtles on this channel, so I'm so excited. I'm constantly having to clean these at home because that's all I use are reusable straws. And ooh, it comes with a brush cleaner as well to get the gunk out of your straws. We have some more items right here. I like how everything is nice and packaged so nothing will break. And it's mini breaker, I think. Yes. I actually don't own this. I'm very excited for it. Oh, the packaging is cute and everything is nice and intact. This is awesome. I think this would pair well with the palette that I'm wearing right now. It's the Glam Light Miracle palette. It has a lot of pinks and purples in it, and I think that these shades would complement it really nice, but I'm sure you can create a bunch of different looks by itself. And then we have a gloss and a lipstick. This is Candy Drip. Is this one of the exclusive ones? I'm not entirely sure. I'm just opening things the wrong way. I'm so sorry. I'm just so excited and overwhelmed. I love this. Oh, that's such a pretty shade. Oh, I haven't tried any of his glosses yet. That is stunning. Oh, I wonder how it looks by itself and paired with some other lipsticks. Love that. And then this is the mystery shade. There's a question mark over it. Ooh, it's more of a metallic. I don't really wear many metallics, but this shade looks gorgeous. And that's what the mystery liquid lipstick looks like. I like how both of these are very wearable shades. I know sometimes in mystery boxes you get like the most whack colors because they're just trying to get rid of the inventory, but I'm very happy with both of these, especially having a gloss because I haven't tried any of them yet, and I haven't used one of his liquid lipsticks in the longest time, so I'm very, very excited. We have one more item, and it looks like it must be one of his mirrors. Ooh, it's a white mirror. Hi, how are ya? I love this. Ah. I don't really use handheld mirrors, but I can see why there's so much hype around these. It's very lightweight, but the mirror is ginormous, and yeah, hi. Frizzy hair, how are you? That is very exciting. I'm very pleased. For $100, that is awesome. I can't complain about the items that I received. Now, let's open up the Big Daddy. I'm just really struggling right now, / excited. So I'm just ripping everything open. I was opening it the wrong way again. This is what the inside looks like. Don't mind me disrespecting my surroundings. Okay, this is the first item. It is a reusable bag. I really like how JEFFREE included some items that are very reusable, like this and the straws. You know, save the planet. I don't know how much I'll be able to fit in here. I usually use these for groceries. I like it. And it has the same pattern as the t-shirt. Oh, we have this. What is this? It looks like a little bag. This must have been part of his Valentine's Day launch. This would come in handy for Carowinds. I like this. I found my new theme park bag. All right, is this Blue Blood? It is. And I own this, so you know what that means? Giveaway. That means I'll have 2 giveaways on my channel right now. Let's just make sure everything is nice and packaged, not broken. This is what Blue Blood looks like. She is very pretty. She's all intact and ready for a giveaway. I was kind of hoping for Blood Sugar. I mean, I own both palettes, but I guess this is for the winter blues. Blood Sugar just seemed more appropriate for Valentine's Day. What's this? Ooh, Brain Freeze. I don't own this. I got one for a coworker for her birthday, but I don't own it myself. Ooh, look at those highlighting shades. I'm gonna be set for a highlighter for days. I love a good highlighter. The only highlighter I own from Jeffree Star is his mint one. It was one of the first ones he released, and I thought the mint color was just so cool. Oh, I love it. And the compact size is so big, I'm never gonna run out of it. And we have 5 lip products. This is Blow Pony. I don't think I own Blow Pony, or do I? No, I do. So I am going to set Blow Pony to the side. It will go in the giveaway as well. And Mistletoe, I also own. This is what Mistletoe looks like. This was one of my favorite Christmas launches. I really like the white caps for some reason. And then we have another gloss. This is Softcore Sparkle. Ooh. I should have learned from the last one that you can't really open them upside down. Ooh, this looks like a fun shade. I really like this shade. It is stunning. I wonder how this wears by itself and also paired with another lipstick. And we have another gloss. It's called Ice Cold. Maybe I can open this one the right way. Ooh, I like this. This would pair so nice over so many lipsticks, I think. I love the iridescence on Ice Cold. I'm really happy with these gloss shades that I got. And then we have Restraints. I don't think I own this shade. Is it a metallic? Yeah. Oh, this looks like fun though. And that is Restraints. I actually really like that. It's a nice grungy metallic. And then we have a lip scrub. I haven't used any of his lip scrubs before. This is Mojito. That's very fitting for me because I love mojitos, margaritas, and it smells like one. I am so excited to finally have one of his scrubs. And then we have a pop socket. I think Griffin might need one, so he might get it. And then, oh, another mirror. I'm just a savage when it comes to opening things, but I'm just so excited. I just want to see what everything looks like. Oh my gosh. It's a Jeffree Star approved mirror. I love it so much. Oh, I'm excited to have hand mirrors now. I'm really excited. I haven't had 2 giveaways run in parallel before. You'll get Blue Blood and the liquid lipsticks Blow Pony and Mistletoe. So to enter in the flash giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment of what your favorite Jeffree Star product is or what product that you really want to try from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This giveaway will close on March 1st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the winner will be announced on March 2nd. You must leave me in your comment your Twitter or Instagram handle. That way I can get in contact with you. If you don't use Instagram or Twitter, please leave me your email. That way, in case if you're the winner, I can get in contact with you. Just in case if you don't get the notification on the video, in case if you're the winner, because you will only have 72 hours to get in contact with me. Hope you guys are excited. Good luck to everyone that enters. I'm really excited to be able to share part of my box back with you guys. I understand it was difficult and challenging to try to get a box. I love being able to share back products with you guys so much. You guys mean so much to me, so I really hope that you guys are excited. I definitely want to try to get more of his mystery boxes in the future. That way I can do some more of these flash giveaways. I hope that they're fun. Maybe I'll try to get all 3 boxes next time, and then that way I can give away one of them now that I know what items that he includes in them. For both of the mystery boxes, I'm super excited and ecstatic with all the items that I received. Very overwhelmed right now. I don't even know where to begin. I am very excited to dive in and play with all of my products. I thought the Supreme was supposed to have a mystery exclusive shade as well. I didn't see any with a question mark, but this was the one from the Deluxe, so I'm a little confused, but still I think it was really great, and I wonder when the next mystery box will be. I definitely want to try another one. Aside from the stressful experience of checking out, I'm very excited to have some new products in my collection that I don't own, and I'm also excited to do a giveaway for you guys. And I would love to know if you guys got any of the mystery boxes. Did we get the same variation or did we get different products? And don't forget to enter this giveaway, but I also have my monthly giveaway currently open right now. If you already subscribed and enter that giveaway, don't forget to comment on this video for your additional bonus entry. But if you haven't, go on ahead and subscribe, and in the description box there will be a link to that giveaway as well to double up your chances on either this flash giveaway or my monthly giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.